Linking on my brain. Okay. Linking on my brain. I got linking on my brain. Whoa.
Press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button. Press on to subscribe. Now, press that bell. That school bell. Press on to get our notification.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your gym team over there. Today, guys, you just want to go for a logo, Alex logo, just logo. So I replaced a very cool, nice mock-up. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe now, like this video, share and comment. Subscribe for you not to miss out on my updates, please. I'm begging, please subscribe. Okay, now let's move to today's work without wasting much of our time. Press your Pixellab application. Download your own 3000 fonts in the description below if you have not yet downloaded it. Then come to your new text, then enlarge it. So I'll just press E. So I'll give it a very nice, a very cool font. So let's give it a very cool font. So I'm using this font today. I'm using this. So you can just shift it front and back. One shift is okay. Then I mid size. And then so change the background color. Paper color shape, then pick a circle. You give the opacity of this one to 0, then increase the stroke a little bit, then resize it with your A, with your letter A. I think we are getting something right now. So it's okay, yes. Okay, now press the name of the brand. This is a short way of making logo, iamalexgraphics. Then give it a very sweet font, very nice font rather. So just use any font you like. Let's use this time around. Okay. Let's make it logo mockup. So mockup will be like this. Okay. Let's just put the logo mockup here so that anything won't block it. So let's bold it. Why not to this too small? So you know what, this mockup I want to try. I've not tried before. So let's go for it first and see the color comes out for you before placing color here. So go to your Chrome, download this mockup in the description below, photopea.com. File, open, then download. So come here and select the mockup file. So after we see what the mockup file comes out with, then we know what to do. So layer, smart object, then open. Can you see it's not color black, it's not color white. So what we have to do just to come back here, then let's give the stock color. Let's leave it as color white, and let's see what will come out as a result. But let's change this font, or let's leave it like that. I think the thing won't affect us. So logo mockup. So now you can merge it together. So merge it. Then place it to the middle like this. So make it transparent. Then save your work as ultra. save to your gallery. So now come back here, then open file, open and replace, then download. Go back to your Pixellab and select the day one you just save right now. So we are moving forward. So now you can enlarge it to the level of your satisfaction. Can you see the one we made? They also been enlarged to their level of their satisfaction. So there's nothing to do, just to enlarge our own. Also, nothing stop us from enlarging our own also and place it well. So I think it's okay. Press your layer, then you can hide it instead of really deleting it. So it's already left the page for us. Then save it as smart objects. Already see it, so quick. Then click here for your mockup to convert to 3D mockup. It's loading visible, anyone can see it, but we all know that it's loading. So let's wait for the result. The result is already here. So here is it. It's just come out well. So yes, it's very nice and cool. So now press file, export as PNG. It's even readable. Yes, it's very common. It's even readable than the first one. So save it. So let's check what we have been done so far. Wow, this is really great. So now here's our mockup. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe for you to not miss out on my updates. So we provide more content every day so you can enjoy this tutorial. So if you are new here, kindly please subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Meet next tutorial with another. Okay, goodbye for now.